So I literally just got my Freetrain vest in the post today. This is basically a vest that you wear while you train, and you can literally store your phone in here, and the plastic is literally, you can allows you to touch your screen of your phone, so that's easy to use. And it also has a little storage here. We can put your keys or your AirPods in it for like keep safe. And yeah, basically you can wear it to do any sort of activities, and this is how you wear it. It's got an elastic on the band, and you just wear it like a vest and fit it to your comfort. It's so nice and snug, as you can see, and then you just pin it back and you go about your business. This is so good. I've been looking for something like this for like forever, and they still allow me to go running, because whenever I'm not wearing my athletics pants that has a pocket on the side, I find it really hard to like store my phone or my keys. So this is very, very handy, and I like the fit. It makes me feel like I'm one sort of superhero, you know, I'm going for a war. But yeah, thank you very much Freetrain for sending me this. I am definitely gonna be rocking this all the time now, like, and it's black. It goes with all my outfit. You guys know I love black. Anything with black, this is it. So this is what the back looks like. I love it. It fits so nice and snug, not too tight, very comfortable. And yeah, so I will definitely share how I get on with this